I'm gonna show you how to make a creamy macaroni and cheese. You know, Thanksgiving right around the corner. This is your most important ingredient you need: brie, and you need mascarpone. This is gonna help the macaroni and cheese get real creamy, real luscious. So stay tuned. So in a pot, add all your heavy cream, whip into it. Then add this whole container of mascarpone to it as well. And the same thing with the cream cheese. And then with the brie, cut this stuff off on the side. After you cut all the sides of the stuff off, the brie should look like this. So add it to the pot as well. And then after all that, place it on the stove, let it cook down for about 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat till it's nice and creamy. So why you should buy the cheese like this? It's better when you grate it yourself. Better, it's more cheesier. You don't lose nothing. And plus, they don't add the flour. They add flour to the shredded cheese. So when you do it yourself, you skip that. So you're gonna grate each of these cheese, half of them, and this is how it should look, nice and smooth. And then the trick is to thicken it up. Get some cornstarch and add 2 tablespoons of the liquid from there. Mix it up in here and add it back. So you're gonna add all these cheeses into this mix, nice and creamy. Now you're gonna add a pasta to the water. Now once the cheese sauce is ready, you're gonna use all these seasonings to season it up. So you're gonna pour all your cream sauce over the noodles. You wanna mix them up before you put in your little baking pan. Get your baking pan and add it to it. I add some cheese on top. You know, cover the top. So place in the oven at 350 for like 30 minutes. Cover it when it starts to get a little dark. Now that's how you make creamy mac and cheese.